Hello, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we dive into best Venmo reward program. So let's dive into it. If you want the best Venmo reward program, the Venmo credit card and the Venmo debit card with stash are your top option. The credit card automatically gives you up to 3% cashback in your highest spending categories, 2% in your second highest, and 1% on your rest. On the rest, no manual setup needed. Meanwhile, the Venmo debit card with stash reward lets you earn up to 5% cashback at selected brands, and you can switch your brand categories every 30 days to match anywhere you shop. Both options drop reward right into your Venmo balance, which make them super way too easy. However, the numbers of brands eligible for 5% with stash is limited, and the credit card requires good credit to qualify. But if you pair the two strategically, which is the debit card for everyday purchases at stash eligible brand, credit card for your major expenses, Venmo offer one of the most flexible cashback setup in 2025. So Venmo's reward program are the best to anyone who wants automatic cashback without needing to track rotating categories. And that's it. If you find the video helpful, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more videos.